After logging into your Cognable account, it takes you to the dashboard or home screen. There is option to view the learners that are linked with the account. You can also type the learner's name manually. Once you have selected the learner, it asks you to choose a program. We already have two programs in the tool, AB and Special Education. After choosing the program, you are provided with three types of functional assessments. Apart from these functional assessments, we have additional two assessments that helps us to build child's program. You can also view and build child's program. For that, you have to create long-term goals and short-term goals. You can also view the previously short-term goals if created. Once you have filled the long-term goals and short-term goals, you can start choosing the targets that you want to allocate for the learner. For that, you are provided with three types of choices. You can either choose the target from the library that is already there in the tool, or you can also add it manually. You can also go for peak equivalence category. After selecting the domain and the target area, it gives you recommendation of several targets. Depending upon the level of the child, you can choose any target that suits your child. After filling the necessary field, the targets get updated or allocated. There is also option to add steps or stimulus. Once you have built the program and you have created the long-term and short-term goals, after creating the long-term and short-term goals and the targets, you can simply start recording the data for the targets. After starting this session, it takes you to the screen which gives you all the targets. Depending upon the response that the child has given, you can simply put the data for it. After completing the session, it gives you the session summary that helps you to view child's progress. So that's how it gives you a session summary that helps you to visualize your child's progress. There are other daily vitals that are equally important for the child. You can also keep a track of those vitals. For example, meal data. You can you can create new meal data for the child or toilet data. You can also view the older toilet data if created. There is also option to view your child's progress. There are graphs and reports that shows how the child is progressing.